Hello guys, welcome back to Chikodia. As Easter's around the corner, we're gonna learn to draw this cute bunny basket filled with colorfully decorated eggs. Let's get started!
Chikodia!
Let's start with the rim of the basket. Draw a slightly curved strip. 2 lines, join them to make a strip, like this. Now draw a big rounded base. This is gonna be the face of the bunny. For the next steps, carefully observe. We're gonna draw the ears starting from this point. Draw a small sharp curve overflowing the rim and gradually extend it till the bottom like this. Now draw the ear fold this way. Now join by drawing a slight S-shaped line from here to here. Follow the same steps on the opposite side as well. These two are really long and droopy folded ears. Now erase the extra lines underneath and draw the inner parts of the ears like this. If you ever feel that I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. For the handle, we're gonna start from here and end it here. A big handle. Another line. Now fill the top with overflowing eggs tossed randomly. I did 4 in the front and 2 behind. Now the cute face. Big round eyes. A tiny triangular nose. Next, the mouth. And cute bunny teeth. Add whiskers on either cheeks. Oh, and tiny eyebrows too. Now decorate all the eggs with a variety of patterns. Now the black outlines. Due to the current coronavirus situation, this year I would highly recommend you to avoid doing the egg hunts outside in the neighborhood. It would be really great if all the parents could arrange the egg hunt inside the house and make sure the kids don't miss out all the fun. Time for colors. Color the rim, handle, and ears with pink. Use lighter pink for rest of the face, just along the outlines though. Finish off the eggs with colors of your choice. Make them bright and colorful. Finally, some shading. Yay! Here's a cute bunny basket filled with colorful eggs. Have a hoppity-hoppy Easter! Stay tuned for another drawing in the Easter series. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.